This time, Take takes on the challenge of making tasty yakitori without fail. Yakitori is a difficult dish to cook well. If overcooked, it becomes tough, and if undercooked, it's not ready to eat. There are ways to cook yakitori, such as boiling the meat in advance or cooking it at a low temperature, but it does not turn out as delicious as expected. In this video, he will try to make a delicious yakitori using a frying pan and a grill. First, cut the green onions into bite-sized pieces that are easy to eat. Next, cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. Prepare skewers. Use flat skewers to make them easier to grill. Also, sharpen the tips of the skewers so they are sharp and easy to pierce. Thread the chicken and greens onions alternately. Next, prepare the yakitori sauce. 5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin sweet rice wine, 1 tablespoon Japanese sake, 3 tablespoons zarame granulated sugar. When the sauce is ready, heat slowly until the zarame melts. Cook the skin side of the pan without oil first. Don't worry if you don't put oil on the pan, the oil will come out of the skin and meat. The skin side will be well browned after about 5 minutes, so flip the meat and cook for another 3 minutes. Add the yakitori sauce and coat the yakitori thoroughly with the sauce. The meat is cooked through at this point, so finish cooking on the grill over high heat. When the meat is nicely charred, it is done. The inside is juicy, and the outside is crisp and mouth-watering smells.
Wow! Yakitori is also exceptionally tasty when served as a bowl of donburi rice.
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.